Good morning, Namaste, Pranam to all brothers and sisters. I am Dr. Divavaran Cochin. My subject is medical science and astrology. Today I am going to speak about the perspective on this prospective spouse. Prospective spouse, some astrological principles. Difficulty in selection. Man performs his evolutionary role in two directions, one in the dominion of matter and the other towards spiritual attainment. It is an irony that more he progresses materially, more he encounters pain, helplessness, and unhappiness. Sometimes he is lost on the sentimental. It is an irony that more he progresses materials, more he encourages pains, helplessness, and unhappiness. Sometimes he is lost on the sentimental or emotional level. And just irony, a man who is adorned with all the insignia of splendor in the world of material feelings, impartially miserable, he has a beating on the personality and on his choice, selection, etc., of the vital things of life. The selection of spouse is a difficult task for future material life. Our life is two materials are two sides are one is the material progress and the spiritual progress. The many persons face moments of insecurity and indecision when it comes to gives the financial consent for marriage because of it is a once in lifetime affair. മനുഷ്യ ജീവിതത്തിൽ ഒരു ഭാര്യയിൽ നിന്ന് പ്രോഗ്രസ് ഉണ്ടാകുക, ഭാര്യയിൽ നിന്ന് ഉയർച്ച ഉണ്ടാകാനുള്ള ആ ജാതക കോമ്പിനേഷൻ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ജാതകങ്ങൾ തമ്മിൽ മാച്ച് ചെയ്യുന്നതായ സമയത്തിൽ ഭാര്യയുടെ വ്യക്തിയുടെ ജാതകത്തിൽ 7ാം ഭാവാധിപൻ ഭാഗ്യത്തിലും ഭാഗ്യാധിപൻ 7ലും നിന്നാൽ വിവാഹാനന്തരം ഇയാൾക്ക് നാനാവിധത്തിലുള്ള പുരോഗതി ഉണ്ടാകുവാനായിട്ട് ഇടയുണ്ട്. പുരോഗതി എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ അതിനുശേഷം അയാൾക്ക് പലവിധത്തിലുള്ള ഭാഗ്യാനുഭവങ്ങളൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടാകും. ഭാഗ്യം കൊണ്ട് അയാൾ ഉന്നത സ്ഥാനങ്ങളിൽ എത്തുവാനായിട്ട് സാധിക്കും. Everyone is quite eager to know about his or her future life partner. They desire to marry with a decent, healthy, good-looking, smart and well-educated partner from an conservative family background is quite natural. വിവാഹം കഴിക്കുമ്പോൾ ഭാര്യയുടെ കുടുംബം വളരെ ദരിദ്രമാണെന്നിരിക്കെ ചിലർക്ക് സ്ത്രീധനം കിട്ടുന്നില്ല എന്നൊക്കെ പറഞ്ഞ് ആ വിവാഹബന്ധം കളയും. പക്ഷെ ആ പെൺകുട്ടിക്ക് ലക്ഷ്മി യോഗം ഉള്ള പെൺകുട്ടിയാണ് എന്നിരിക്കുക. ആ കുട്ടിയെ വിവാഹം കഴിക്കുന്ന ആള് വിവാഹാനന്തരം എല്ലാ തരത്തിലുള്ള അഭിവൃദ്ധികളും ഉണ്ടായി അയാൾ ഉന്നത സ്ഥാനങ്ങളിൽ വിരാജിക്കുവാനായിട്ട് സാധിക്കും. സിനിമാ രംഗത്തുള്ള ഒരു വ്യക്തിയാണ് അയാൾ വിവാഹം കഴിക്കുന്ന കുട്ടിക്ക് ലക്ഷ്മി യോഗവും അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ലക്ഷ്മി നാരായണ യോഗവും ഒക്കെ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ആ വ്യക്തിയുടെ വിവാഹാനന്തരം അയാൾ സിനിമാ രംഗത്ത് വിശ്വപ്രസിദ്ധനായി തീരുവാനായിട്ട് ഇടവരും. ദി എക്സ്പെക്ടേഷൻ ഓഫ് ലവിങ്, caring, affectionate, faithful, dedicated and charming life partner who may bring good fortune, honor, fame, wealth, prosperity and cheerfulness and long life is always present in the minds of one and all. Probably all material related to physiognomy of the spouse, direction of marriage, settlement, birth of moon sign of the spouse, and the nature of the alliance can be predicted on the basis of the astrological principles. Moon sign and lagna of prospective spouse in the connection following slogas are there. The Janmadiva in the 7th house. 7th Lord is in the 9th house. Is one yoga. Another is the 9th Lord is in the 7th house. The Lagna Lord aspected. The person become very famous and popular after marriage. The moon sign of the native spouse will be one of the following. The Rashi moon sign, Navamshaga, or the signs falling triangular to them. The ascendant or the Navamshaga occupied by the ascendant or the sign triangular to him. The sign falling 7th from the sign so obtained. The sign falling at 7th, 8th or 9th from the moon sign, Lord of the 7th, or from the Lord of the Lagna. The sign of the debilation or exhalation of the 7th Lord or the moon or the Lagna or Lord. Phaladipika has also the same version. The see that the Lagnesh and Saptamesh fall in which sign and Navamshaga. That sign or that Navamshaga or the sign of the triangular to that will be the Janma Rashi of native's wife. The debilation or exhalation sign of the Lord of the Lagna or Lord of the 7th house may be the Janma Rashi of the wife of the native. The sign where the maximum benefits will get. The Lagna Lord is in the 7th house. The 9th Lord is in the 7th house. After the marriage, the person become very famous. The moon's nakshatra akshavarga may be the moon sign of the wife. We will illustrate this with the help of the following. The moon sign of the native is Scorpio. The triangular signs reckoned from Scorpio are Pisces and Cancer. Jupiter occupies the 7th house in odd sign. Therefore, moon sign of the wife of the native will be placed out of these two signs. That ascendant of the native is Gemini at 14 degree 53 seconds, which falls in the Navamshaga of the Aquarius. The sign occupied by the Lagna Navamshaga, Lagna, and the sign falling triangular to them are Gemini, Aquarius, and Libra. Since moon and the 7th Lord Jupiter obtained the Navamshaga of Libra, Libra must be the ascendant of wife. Number 2, that the wife of the native is born in the Libra ascendant and the Pisces. Moon sign is clear by the horoscope of the native's wife. To select one sign of the 2 of 3, one must apply a bit of intellect. The sign which is prominent from various angles and has the influences of the 7th Lord or of its occupants should be derived as the birth of moon sign of the native's wife. Similar rules can be applied to his horoscope families or female while finding out the birth or moon sign of their prospective husband. To illustrate this, we will take the horoscope of the wife of the above native. The wife of the native is born in the 10 degree 22nd degree is seconds of Libra ascendant. The sign falling in the triangles are Aquarius and Gemini, and other of these signs should be the birth sign of the husband. In fact, as given above, the husband was born in Gemini, ascendant and Aquarius as moon sign. The moon sign of the lady is Pisces, and the sign triangular to these are Cancer and Scorpio. Here Scorpio is more prominent because the lord of the moon sign Jupiter and the lord of the seventh from the moon sign Mercury are tenanted in Scorpio. So Scorpio should be the moon sign of the husband. In fact, the husband's moon sign is Scorpio. Then we can predict the spouse, the prospects on the perspective of spouse. Thank you very much. If you like my subject, please subscribe it and the bell button switch on. I'll come tomorrow with other subjects.